First ball. Jumper violation. Basketball. San Francisco. Out of bounds, turnover. Number 28, dribbling the ball. 2 points, number 28, Malimono. Kalinawan. Pass to Hinayon. Hinayon, no good. Rebound number 99. Number 28, pass to number 5. No good. Rebound Mandilan, 2 points. Mandilan. Exactly 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Celeste. Pass to Hinayon. Uy, 2 points. Hinayon. Loh, ilan naman to? Number 99. There's a foul. Osmo rep. Hinayon. 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 First personal foul. First team foul. San Francisco. Number 25. No good. Rebound na nakuha. Number 25 again. Number 5. There's a foul. 2 shots. Number 23. Shim Shim. Number 23. First personal foul. Second of the team. San Francisco. 2 shots awarded. 1 point. Shim Shim. 2 points. Dili. 4 points. Out of bounds. Symbol. Turnover. Number 26, 2 shots. Out of bounds, turnover. Exactly 4 minutes and 20 seconds for the first period. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Pass to Finoon. So number 26 again. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound number 25. Pass to number 28. 28, 2 points. Number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 26. 15 to shoot. Out of bounds. Symbol. Still at number 25. For 3 points, number 25. Ador ka mo ba yung number? Oh, good. 2 points. Number 8. Nakuha number 12. No good. Now number 18. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Hoy. No good. Rebound ni number. Nakakuha number 12. Out of bounds. Turnover. Number 5. 2 points. Naglibog lang. Number 26. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. To number 26. No good. Rebound number 99. Exactly 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Nakakuha ni River. Pass to number 18. They steal in number 99. Pass to number 5. Number 5, no good. Nakakuha number 18. Pass to number 5. No good. Rebound number 12. No good. Rebound number 28. Oh, out of bounds, turnover. Exactly 2 minutes and 14 seconds for the first period. Number 28. 2 points, number 28. $26. No good. Rebound na yun. Hey, Bula. Pass to number 28. 2 points, number 28. 1 minute and 40 seconds. There's a foul. Number 5. Number 5. First personal foul. First of the team. Malibuno All-Star. First try. No good. Second try. No good again. Rebound number 99. Number 99. Nakuha number 18. Number 18. No good. Rebound number 12 is still number 18. Oy! Rebound Simsem. There's a foul. 2 shots. Number 12. Hacking foul. Number 12. First personal foul. Second of the team. Malibuno All-Stars. Remaining playing time 1 minute and 18 seconds. First try, no good. Sound naman na. Second try. 1 point. Number 28. Pass to number 99. 15 to shoot. Number 12 to number 5, 2 points. Exactly 1 minute. 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to Simsem to Simbat. Kalinawan, 4-3. No good. Rebound number 28. 10 to shoot. Hoy, basket is count. May kasamang foul. Counted. Number 5. Hacking foul. One shot awarded. Number 5. Number 5, 3. Second personal foul. Third of the team, Malimno. Second try. No good. Rebound number 99.
40 seconds. Number 25. 2 points. 30.
Hey. There's a foul. Number 5. Offensive foul. Hinayot. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 25 seconds.
20 seconds. 2 points. Number 99. 15. Shot clock is off.
10. 5.
End of the first period. Official score. 9 against 20.
In favor of Malimno All-Star.